Your higher self, spirit, subconscious mind is giving you plays that you will understand.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
We must pay homage to him.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Dreams. Your higher self speaking to you.
I don't remember asking you a goddamn thing.
English, Spanish, Arabic, Japanese. We all have a language that we speak. These languages communicate our intent when speaking to others. Speech or speaking is how we translate our messages to get a point or idea across. These words and sounds present a feeling or a thought to others or yourself to magnify something in your head. Symbols. Symbols. Symbols.
Okay.
Symbols are your native language. Symbols are the first and only true language we have. In Atlantis and Lemuria, we spoke in pictures as etheric beings, transmitting ideas or speech through pictures. These pictures can be correlated with your all-seeing eye. Your mind or your third eye is a picture-rolling projector. Whether it's pictures in your waking life as you're walking around observing the matrix, pictures in your meditation when you're closing your eyes and getting certain downloads passed on to you, or pictures in your dreams where that part of you that knows is speaking with you directly. It gets associated with a term called higher self, but it's really just you. It runs your reality and is the key to all your magic. Subconscious mind. Your spirit, subconscious mind speaks to you in symbols. This is your native language and how it communicates with you. When this communication is taking place, it's up to you to be the Sherlock Holmes, the detective, and understand the language of your subconscious.
Knock, knock!
Panic, Bobby, myself, and a host of others are ingratiated in their native language. These symbols are like speaking English to them, and they are attuned to their language. The key is, it's their language. It's my language. It's your personal language. And if you're not in alignment with your feelings, the message can be taken the wrong way. Now, this is the tricky part, family. I want y'all to understand this to the core. If symbols are coming to me, it's my personal duty to interpret the symbol accordingly. But I want you to understand that what you interpret is just that. Your higher self, spirit, subconscious mind is giving you plays that you will understand. We're so busy looking for facts and right and wrong. What if I told you your understanding of it is right? Ta-da!
Boom.
Now it puts a whole different spin on your symbols. If I see 444 on the clock and I was just thinking a thought, 444 can mean to me your ancestors are with you, according to Google. But what if I eradicated the mainframe and now 444 means what I was thinking is right? How I'm feeling is on point. This is deeper level understanding of the mind and how you're in control. You, your own universe. You are God, Titan, Chaos being. So the interpretation of another motherfucker's ideas of these symbols is just that. Their idea. Their truth. But you're here to live in your truth and breathe the knowing of God in your being. You're not right or wrong. You're creating your reality. Don't get me wrong. You can get guidance and understanding from others on symbols, but at the end of the day, you must go with the hunches and feelings coming up inside of you. Don't lie to yourself, though, and interpret something your spirit is saying as something else. You know what that message is for you, and only you. Feel it out. Feel it out. Feel it out. Now this brings me to our dreams. There are layers to dreams, and in this video, I'll discuss the primary layer. Other realities and wrinkles in time dreams coming soon. Your dreams are primarily your spirit, subconscious mind speaking to you. You, your own universe. And in this universe is your own set of language and feelings in accordance to what? Yes, your symbols. Panic told us for years our spirit speaks to us in our dreams and makes a language suitable to your current conscious understanding.
Message!
When you consciously or unconsciously ask yourself a question when you go to sleep, you'll get a message and a picture encoded story to answer your question. It's up to you to have the keen eye, first eye, to see or feel the message clearly. It's up to you to be the sleuth, the detective, and gain an understanding from that part of you that knows. Dream wise.